Okay, question 2 in this week's homework is asking you about accidentals. So an accidental is a sharp or a flat note that is written in the music, okay? So if we're looking at C major or A minor, those are obviously relative to each other because they've got the same key signature. If we're writing a major scale, we're starting on the first note of that scale, okay? So if we're doing a C major scale, we are going to go from C and we're going to end on C, okay? And in a major scale with nothing in my key signature, then I'm just going to go up all the white notes. So I'd have note 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? No accidentals. A minor is a different story though, because for a minor one, as it says in your homework, you're going to have to raise the 7th note of the scale by a semitone. Okay? So if I'm working out the accidentals for A minor, I'm going to be starting on the first note of the scale, which is an A, and I'm going to count up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this note here, this G, is going to be raised by a semitone, okay? So instead of just having a G in my A minor scale, it would be a G sharp, okay? Then 8th note would be an A. So it would go A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, A, okay? Because I'm raising that 7th note by a semitone. Okay, now you need to think carefully when you start looking at key signatures which have a flat in them, okay? So for example, F major and D minor, they're relative, they've both got the same key signature and it's got one flat in it. So it's a B flat. So when I'm doing my scale, I go up in the same way, but I need to remember that I've got a B flat in there. Okay, so my major scale, it's got a B flat in it. F, G, A, B flat, C, D, then we go E and F. Okay, that would be my F major scale. It's got a B flat in it because that's in my key signature. My D minor scale though will have the B flat because that is in my key signature, but it'll also have this raised 7th note as well. Okay, so I'm going to work out what that is with you and then I'm going to leave the last one to do by yourself. So if we count up from D, okay, so D is number 1, we're looking to raise the B flat and we're looking for that 7th note as well. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is B flat, 7 is C. So if we're raising that by a semitone, we would get to C sharp. Then the final note of our scale would be D. Okay, so we'll go D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C sharp, D. And what you want to try and avoid when you're writing out scales is a repeat of the same note. Okay, so it wouldn't be like B flat, B, and end up on C because B flat and B are the same letter name. Okay, so that's why I go B flat up to C. I don't go B flat to B. Okay, I hope that helps you work out the other ones.